Here are the differences between the Razer Blackshark V2 and the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 edition. The biggest difference between these two devices is that the Blackshark V2 is wired and the Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 is wireless. So here's the wired non-detachable. Now this is on the Blackshark V2. It ends in this 3.5mm cable. It also comes with a USB sound card. It's a dongle. So you plug that right into here. And this right here is compatible with PC and PS4, PS5. Not Xbox though. If you want to use this Xbox, you're going to just have to use it wired with the 3.5mm cable and then plug it into a controller. The Blackshark V2 Pro, this is wireless. You can't use it wired even if you want. It doesn't have a slot for a 3.5mm cable. It uses this dongle, wireless dongle, PS4, PS5. PC doesn't work with Xbox. And this is USB Type A. And this 2023 edition in particular also has Bluetooth. So this button right here, the smart switch button, if you press it twice, it'll toggle between Bluetooth and the hyperspeed wireless connection with the dongle. Now the V2 Pro does not have simultaneous Bluetooth and hyperspeed.
The second big difference between these two headsets is the microphone. The mic of the Razer Blackshark V2, which I'm speaking into right now, it's kind of muffled, not really that clear, just the fidelity is just not very good on this microphone. Whereas the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 has a much clearer mic. I would even use this for use cases outside of gaming. If you're just like on a conference call or something like that, you need a quick mic and you don't want to set up another type of mic. This is really good and convenient. The clarity is good, the tonality is good, and the background noise rejection is quite good as well. I even have a fan blowing in the background.
Another major difference between these is the weight. This, the Blackshark V2, is 262 grams, so it's not super heavy. I wouldn't say this is the most comfortable headset because of the material. It has the same material that's on the Blackshark V2 Pro. This flow knit type of material, but it doesn't get too hot. But anyway, the point was that it's 262 grams, and this is 320 grams. So significantly heftier as soon as you hold it and you put it on. I wouldn't say it's like way too heavy, but it's definitely something that you'll notice over time. One thing that did take me a while to notice is that the Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 actually tends to just clamp in naturally more. This just has a wider resting spot on your head. I think that's why I find that the Blackshark V2 is just a little bit more comfortable for me besides the weight, because the Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 is clamping in a little bit, and these pads aren't incredibly soft. There's not really a whole lot of cushion in them. So this having a little bit of a looser fit ends up being a bit more comfortable for me. Now these two also have different software features, and the Blackshark V2 Pro, it actually has some EQ presets. If you press the button and just tap it, it will cycle through different EQ presets. They're saved to the device itself, and you can make your own preset in Razer Synapse, and it will also save to the device. And then if you hold it in, you can actually switch to some different esports presets that they put in here too. Now the Blackshark V2 does not have any EQ presets. This dongle, it lets you connect to Razer Synapse, and you can customize however you want the EQ to be there, but you're gonna have to have Razer Synapse open the whole time on PC to actually get access to any of the equalization changes. If you make some changes and then you bring this to like another system like the Switch or something like that, then it will still work. It just isn't going to save those EQ presets. Other than that, these headsets are very similar in their build, in their comfort. They both have these metal adjustment forks, not super thick on these, but I've had this for several years now. It hasn't broken. Same padding on both. Neither of them have swivel. Both of these have 50mm Triforce drivers. The headphone audio quality is almost identical on both of these, but the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 has a little bit of that static feedback sound when you're listening. When there's no audio playing, that's when it's the most noticeable. We just hear that shh. And yeah, when there's no audio, it does get kind of annoying. The audio quality of it, it's alright. I wouldn't say it's amazing, but you can still have a ton of fun playing games with these. But other than that shortcoming, the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 is pretty much just a better and wireless version of the Razer Blackshark V2. So if you like the Razer Blackshark V2, then you'll definitely like the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro 2023 edition.